This question was asked by a 16-year young American boy. What would happen if all humans suddenly vanished? It's a good question, and one that's been explored many times before. There are articles, documentaries, even full TV shows about it. But when I looked at all the answers, I realized something. We're missing a few of the best parts. So today, I'm going to add my own take. Let's imagine that, for some mysterious reason, every human being on Earth instantly disappears. No explosions, no zombies, no evil robots. Just, poof, gone. What happens next? Could there actually be some upsides? Nature takes the wheel. Without humans mowing lawns, fixing roads, or trimming parks, nature would waste no time taking over. Grass would bust through sidewalks. Vines would crawl up skyscrapers. Trees would sprout in the middle of abandoned streets like little green rebels. Basically, Earth would start looking like a deluxe version of Jumanji. Animal Party. Cities abandoned, animals would quickly move in. You'd see deer wandering through shopping malls, bears fishing in water fountains, and maybe even wolves claiming suburban neighborhoods. Zoos would accidentally set hundreds of species loose, and pets would form wild packs. In short, the animals would throw the biggest block party in history, and we wouldn't even be invited. The best stargazing ever. With no artificial lights, no neon signs, no billboards, no street lamps, the night sky would explode with stars. The Milky Way would stretch across the sky like a river of diamonds. If any nearby alien civilizations were watching, they'd finally get a clear look at our planet, and probably wonder where everybody went. Better air, cooler planet. Human industries pump out about 50 billion tons of carbon dioxide every year. With factories and cars gone, pollution would plummet, skies would clear, rivers would run clean again, and the climate would slowly start to cool. It would be Earth's first deep breath in centuries. Silent cities. Without cars, planes, or people shouting into their phones, the cities would fall silent. The only sounds would be the wind whistling through empty buildings, the creak of old structures, and the occasional animal howl. It would be eerie, and also kinda peaceful. Surprising survivors. Some things would stick around longer than you might think. Skyscrapers would start falling apart after a few hundred years. Plastic junk would hang around for centuries. Mount Rushmore, still chilling, for millions of years, probably confusing whatever new species evolves to replace us. Pets gone wild. Pets would have a rough start. Lapdogs wouldn't last long. Sorry. Chihuahuas, but bigger, tougher breeds would adapt. Cats, of course, would do just fine, because, let's be honest, cats were already halfway to world domination before we disappeared. Abandoned technology. Satellites would continue orbiting for decades, slowly blinking out as their batteries died. Eventually, some would fall back to Earth in fiery streaks across the sky, a final fireworks show for nobody. In conclusion, if all humans vanished, Earth would have a pretty amazing time without us. Forests would return, animals would thrive, the air would clear, and the stars would shine brighter than ever. Are there any downsides? Just one. We wouldn't be around to see it.